SAP Authorization Online Training. Introduction to SAP Authorization. SAP Authorization is a security feature that controls who can access and what actions they can perform in the SAP system. It is a critical component of SAP security, as it helps to protect sensitive data and business processes from unauthorized access. What is SAP authorization? Authorizations in SAP systems form the basis for identity and access management. They enable users to access the applications they need to perform their tasks. Since functional and organizational requirements are subject to change, SAP authorizations must be regularly checked and reworked. How does SAP authorization work? SAP authorization is based on a role-based concept. This means that users are assigned roles, which contain a set of authorizations. The authorizations define what actions a user can perform in the SAP system. For example, a user might be assigned a role that allows them to create invoices, but not to approve them. Another user might be assigned a role that allows them to view financial reports, but not to change them. What are the different types of SAP authorization objects? There are two main types of SAP authorization objects. Transaction authorizations. These authorizations control which transactions a user can execute. Data authorizations. These authorizations control which data a user can access. How are SAP authorization objects assigned to roles? SAP authorization objects are assigned to roles using the Role Painter. The Role Painter is a graphical tool that allows you to create and maintain roles. How are SAP authorization objects assigned to users? SAP authorization objects are assigned to users using the User Assignment tool. The User Assignment tool allows you to assign users to roles and to change their authorizations. What are the benefits of using SAP authorization? There are many benefits to using SAP authorization, including improved security. SAP authorization helps to protect sensitive data and business processes from unauthorized access. Reduced risk of errors. SAP authorization can help to reduce the risk of errors by preventing users from performing unauthorized actions. Increased efficiency. SAP authorization can help to increase efficiency by making it easier for users to find the information they need. How can I learn more about SAP authorization? There are many resources available to help you learn more about SAP authorization, including the SAP Help Portal, the SAP Authorization Documentation, SAP Training Courses. I hope this introduction to SAP authorization is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. In addition to the above, here are some other important points to note about SAP authorization. SAP authorization is a complex topic, and it can take some time to learn how to use it effectively. There are many different ways to configure SAP authorization, and the best approach will vary depending on your specific needs. it is important to regularly review and update your SAP authorization configuration to ensure that it remains effective. How do I create an authorization in SAP? Procedure. Start Edit Authorization Fields, Transaction Suite 20. Choose Create New Authorization Field. Enter the name of the field. Field names must be unique and must begin with the letter Y or Z. Assign a data element from the ABAP dictionary to the field. If desired, attach a check table for the possible entries. Features of SAP Authorization. Centralized Authorization Management. SAP Authorization provides a centralized location for managing user access to all SAP systems. This makes it easier to control and audit user access, and to ensure that users only have access to the data and resources they need. Role-based access control. RBAC SAP authorization supports RBAC, which allows you to define roles that group together a set of authorizations. This makes it easier to manage user access by assigning users to roles, rather than having to assign individual authorizations to each user. Fine-grained access control. SAP authorization allows you to define very fine-grained access control policies. This means that you can control access to data and resources at a very granular level, such as by individual transaction, program, or data element. Authorization tracing. SAP authorization provides a number of features for tracing user access, such as authorization logs and audit trails. This can be used to troubleshoot problems and to ensure that users are not accessing data or resources they are not authorized to access. Authorization profiles. SAP authorization uses authorization profiles to group together a set of authorizations. This makes it easier to manage user access by assigning users to profiles, rather than having to assign individual authorizations to each user. Authorization roles. SAP authorization uses authorization roles to group together a set of authorizations. This makes it easier to manage user access by assigning users to roles, rather than having to assign individual authorizations to each user. Authorization profiles. SAP authorization uses authorization profiles to group together a set of authorizations. This makes it easier to manage user access by assigning users to profiles, rather than having to assign individual authorizations to each user. Why choose SAP authorization? Improved security. SAP authorization helps to improve security by restricting access to sensitive data and functions. This can help to prevent unauthorized access to data, which can lead to data breaches and other security incidents. Increased efficiency. SAP authorization can help to increase efficiency by automating the process of granting and revoking access to data and functions. This can free up IT staff to focus on other tasks and can help to reduce the risk of errors. Enhanced compliance. SAP authorization can help to enhance compliance with regulatory requirements. For example, SAP authorization can be used to implement role-based access control, RBAC, which is a security model that is often required by regulatory bodies. Improved user experience. SAP authorization can help to improve the user experience by providing users with only the access that they need to perform their jobs. This can help to reduce the amount of time that users spend searching for information and can help to improve their productivity. Reduced costs. SAP authorization can help to reduce costs by automating the process of granting and revoking access to data and functions. This can help to reduce the amount of time that IT staff spends on manual tasks and can help to reduce the risk of errors. What are the challenges of SAP authorization? SAP authorization is a complex process that can be challenging to manage. Here are some of the challenges of SAP authorization. Manual process. SAP authorization is often a manual process that can be time-consuming and error-prone. Lack of visibility. It can be difficult to track and monitor user access, which can lead to security risks. Complexity of SAP roles. SAP roles can be complex and difficult to understand, which can lead to over-authorization or under-authorization. Lack of standardization. There is no standard for SAP authorization, which can lead to inconsistencies across different SAP systems. Lack of training. Many SAP administrators are not adequately trained in SAP authorization, which can lead to mistakes. Tips for managing SAP authorization. Use a centralized authorization management tool. A centralized authorization management tool can help to automate the process of assigning and managing user access. Implement role-based access control. RBAC is a method of controlling user access by assigning users to roles that have specific permissions. Use least privilege. The principle of least privilege states that users should only be given the access they need to perform their job duties. Regularly review user access. User access should be reviewed regularly to ensure that it is still appropriate. Provide training to SAP administrators. SAP administrators should be trained in SAP authorization so that they can manage it effectively. Why choose SAP authorization? Improved security. SAP authorization is a powerful tool that can help to improve the security of your SAP system. By carefully managing user permissions, you can help to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. Reduced risk of data breaches. Data breaches can be costly and damaging to your business. SAP authorization can help to reduce the risk of data breaches by ensuring that only authorized users have access to sensitive data. Enhanced compliance. SAP authorization can help you to comply with industry regulations, such as SOX and HIPAA. By meeting these regulations, you can help to avoid fines and other penalties. Increased efficiency. SAP authorization can help to increase the efficiency of your business processes. By granting users only the permissions they need, you can help to reduce the time and effort required to complete tasks. Improved decision-making. SAP authorization can help to improve the quality of decision-making. By ensuring that only authorized users have access to sensitive data. Additional benefits of SAP authorization. Centralized control. SAP authorization provides a centralized way to manage user permissions. This can help to simplify the administration of your SAP system. Granular control. SAP authorization allows you to grant users very granular permissions. This means that you can give users only the permissions they need to do their jobs. Flexible control. SAP authorization is a flexible tool that can be used to meet the specific needs of your business. You can customize SAP authorization to fit your specific business processes. Scalable control. SAP authorization can be used to manage user permissions for a wide range of businesses, from small businesses to large enterprises. Is learning SAP authorization useful? Yes, learning SAP authorization is a valuable skill for anyone working with SAP systems. Authorization is the process of controlling access to SAP data and functions. It is essential for protecting sensitive information and ensuring that only authorized users can perform certain actions. Here are some of the benefits of learning SAP authorization. Increased security. By understanding the authorization concept, you can help to improve the security of your SAP systems. You can identify and fix security gaps, and you can help to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. We recommend that you learn SAP authorization if you are looking to advance your career in SAP. SAP authorization is a key skill for SAP professionals. If you are looking to move into a more senior role, having SAP authorization skills will make you more marketable. Increase the security of your SAP systems. Implementing a strong SAP authorization system is essential for any organization that uses SAP systems. By learning SAP authorization, you can help to protect your organization's data and prevent unauthorized access. Improve the efficiency of your SAP systems. A well-defined SAP authorization system can help to improve the efficiency of your SAP systems by reducing the risk of errors and improving productivity. Advantages of SAP Authorization Online Training. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is typically more affordable than traditional classroom-based training. There are no travel or accommodation costs, and you can often find discounts and promotions for online courses. Variety of training options. There are a variety of SAP Authorization online training courses available, from self-paced courses to instructor-led courses. This allows you to choose the best option for your learning style and needs. Access to expert instructors. Online courses are often taught by experienced SAP professionals who can provide you with the latest knowledge and information. Hands-on experience. Many online courses include hands-on exercises and simulations that allow you to apply what you have learned. Preparation for SAP certification. SAP Authorization Online Training can help you prepare for the SAP Certified Technology Associate SAP System Security and Authorization Certification exam. Overall, SAP Authorization Online Training is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn about SAP authorization. It is a convenient, cost-effective, and flexible way to learn from expert instructors and gain hands-on experience. Career opportunities in SAP authorization. SAP Security Consultant. SAP security consultants are responsible for securing SAP systems and data. They work with clients to identify and assess security risks, and then implement security measures to mitigate those risks. They also work with clients to educate employees on security best practices. SAP Basis Consultant. SAP Basis consultants are responsible for installing, configuring, and maintaining SAP systems. They work with clients to ensure that their SAP systems are running smoothly and efficiently. They also work with clients to troubleshoot any problems that arise. SAP GRC Consultant. SAP GRC consultants are responsible for implementing and managing SAP governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) solutions. They work with clients to identify and assess compliance risks, and then implement GRC controls to mitigate those risks. They also work with clients to monitor and report on compliance activities. SAP S/4HANA Consultant. SAP S/4HANA consultants are responsible for implementing and managing SAP S/4HANA systems. They work with clients to assess their readiness for S/4HANA, and then plan and execute the implementation. They also work with clients to train employees on the new system. SAP RA Consultant. SAP RA consultants are responsible for implementing and managing SAP risk and compliance (RA) solutions. They work with clients to identify and assess financial risks, and then implement RA controls to mitigate those risks. They also work with clients to monitor and report on financial risks. Salary expectation in SAP authorization. The average salary expectation for an SAP authorization consultant in India is 6.5 lakhs rupees per year. However, this can vary depending on experience, location, company, and industry. For example, an SAP authorization consultant with 5+ years of experience in a major city like Bangalore or Mumbai can expect to earn upwards of 10 lakhs rupees per year. Here is a breakdown of the average salary expectation for SAP authorization consultants in India by experience. 0 to 2 years of experience, 4 lakhs rupees to 5 lakhs rupees per year. 2 to 5 years of experience, 5 lakhs rupees to 7 lakhs rupees per year. 5+ years of experience, 7 lakhs rupees to 10 lakhs rupees per year. There are a number of factors that can affect the salary of an SAP authorization consultant in India, including experience. The more experience you have, the higher your salary will be. Location. Consultants who work in major cities like Bangalore or Mumbai can expect to earn more than those who work in smaller towns or cities. Company. Consultants who work for large multinational companies can expect to earn more than those who work for smaller companies. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP Authorization Online Training? Experienced and certified trainers. Proexcellency's trainers are experienced and certified in SAP authorization. They have a deep understanding of the subject matter and can provide you with the training you need to succeed. Flexible and convenient training options. Proexcellency offers a variety of training options to meet your needs. You can take their online training courses at your own pace, or you can attend their live, instructor-led training sessions. Affordable training prices. Proexcellency's training prices are very affordable, especially considering the quality of their training. They offer a variety of discounts and promotions, so you can find a training option that fits your budget. Positive reviews from past students. Proexcellency has a lot of positive reviews from past students. Students praise the quality of the training, the instructors, and the support staff. Industry-recognized certification. Proexcellency's SAP Authorization Online Training course is industry-recognized. This means that your certification will be valued by employers and will help you advance your career. Thank you.